Good morning, everybody. All right. Live on TikTok, live on Tube. Good to go. Mic's working. Perfect. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Again, none of this is financial advice. I am not a certified financial advisor, so nothing I talk about should be taken as financial advice. Again, none of this is financial advice. It is currently April 23rd at 7:12 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, one more time, none of this financial advice. So let's go ahead, let's hop into it. Hopefully find a banger today. And yeah, see what the market has to offer. See what the market has to offer us. Trading. What up? What up, what up, what up? Let's get this bag today. I also ordered a air purifier last night. It's going to be here this morning. Never had one, so we're going to see how it goes. What's up, One Nation Under Soundness? Trading. Bet. Good morning, everybody. If you guys could, real quick, start the day with a double tap, it would be greatly appreciated. It helps a lot with the algo. Follow if you're new. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And then, depending on the accounts that we give away on the tube, it's all dependent on your guys' likes. So, giveaways and cash money. Bro, we keep making these random spikes. It's been happening since last night. 50K. Apex accounts. Live 400 likes. Cash money. Bet. There you go. Like I said on the tube today, everybody, the accounts and the cash that I give away is all dependent on your likes. So, you guys want accounts? You gotta at least hit 150 likes this morning. That's on the tube. So everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want to tap into the tube, that's BrandonTrades. If you type it in, I'll pop right up. 1,800 videos, 131,000 subs, all that good stuff. You can get a full screen view as well. If you tap into my tube channel, again, it's going to be BrandonTrades over on the tube. What up, what up? It's quiet today. Nobody's typing. What's up? Wait. What up, Team Bull? Good morning. I didn't mean to send that. Yeah, it took you to my statement page. What's my P&L? What'd it say? Plus 100 M's? Yeah. Massive bag today. Let's see. We are randomly spiking up and down. We're going to watch our buddy Russell came back to play today. So get above 28.01. We can look for continuation. ES is currently holding demand. I think it's a 30-minute demand at the 71.45 and 71.41 that we've wicked off of twice now. Get above pre-market highs, obviously, more continuation. Let me see. Where's all-time highs on ES? Yeah, so I'd say if we get above there, we should be able to push into 71.83 and then 71.86, which is going to be our all-time high. Don't really have a bearish bias yet. Overall structure still looks pretty strong. We dipped down yesterday, pretty much bought it all up. But yeah, so ideally would like to see us get above pre-market high, and then NQ's bouncing the demand as well from 26995 to 26979. So same thing, ideally above pre-market highs. I would like to see continuation. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. I can guarantee not all of you are following. We got about 70 of you here in the TikTok. So again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. I go live every single morning for New York, 2 to 3 times a week for Asia. I might be live for Asia tonight. I don't know yet. But yeah, make sure to hit that follow button. Again, I live trade every single day. We've hit 2 beautiful trades this week. See if we can make it a third. Nah, honestly, Brian, I don't really care. I wasn't liking it. I got out at break even. That's how it is. Yeah, I mean, ideally longs today until the market tells us otherwise. But yeah, ideally longs. It's part of trading, Brian. Right idea. The market was on some BS last night. Stopped out break even. Just found this page. Let's go. Let's go. Again, follow if you guys are new. Follow if you're new. Everybody on the tube, I think your guys' fingers are broken today. Usually you guys got a lot more messages than this. And then also, we got 10 minutes until market opens. So if you guys do need accounts before the market opens, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, Lucid, you guys can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon. Obviously, the streams are completely free. The main thing that I ask from you guys, one, is that you follow and join every single day. But two, if you do continue to trade with me and you do like my content, you watch my videos, obviously, again, if you buy accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure to use code Brandon, all caps. But yeah, like I said, let's see if we can hit another beautiful trade. We had a nice trade on Tuesday, nice trade yesterday. See if we can make it 3 days in a row for New York. Mr. Gino is up in here. G, there he is. Bets. Again, follow if you guys are new. It's at the top left, top right. It says follow. I don't know, somewhere up there. Find it and click it, or you get 10 years of bad trading luck. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them. 10 years of bad trading luck. Oh yeah, and then we're watching Russell today. You guys didn't hear that. Russell looks good. What news do we have? Everybody on the IG know that we're live. What does that mean? What is schedule 3? They died. Is schedule, what is it called? Schedule 3? Is it supposed to be more legal? Or I don't know what any of that means. Don't lie, bro. You're smoking every day. Yeah. GD just rips it before he gets on here every day. Gary? No, never heard. Supply and demand is my strategy. It's the main one, but I also trade like intraday setups, 30-minute orbs, fibs. You know, all these strategies are present at different times. So it just depends on one, if they're present, and two, what strategy is present at that time. Again, if you guys want to learn more about my strategy, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 1,800 videos breaking down my exact strategy. 131,000 subs too. So if you guys want to tap in. Do I use an indicator for a 30-minute orb? Yeah, it's my indicator that plots it. Appreciate you, David. And yes, we're looking at NQ. Got you, Cosmic. Cosmic Gnostic. I think that's how you say it. Again, I have a bullish bias today. Bullish bias. Only looking for upside right now. Only looking for upside. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're new. Follow everybody in the tube, subscribe. And again, one more time before the market opens, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. You can also use code Brandon on my funded futures. They just gave me the code yesterday. I had some of you guys asking, but I want to trade with them first. In the meantime, if you guys use my funded futures, you can use code Brandon there. But I want to trade with them and get a payout first before I really start promoting. I mean, I might know that guy, but I've never talked to him. What you watching, Gino? Used my code last night for Apex. I'll give you a kiss when I see you. Thank you. Russell actually looks really good today. Yeah, you gotta join up here every single day, Logan. Yes, sir. I actually like our friend Russell a lot today. He's bull flagging. Look for some upside. Bro, you should have seen Asia last night. Bro, it was going crazy. It literally dropped like 250 points and then on NQ and then right back up on the next candle. Worst part is it went straight to my demand zone, but the risk was way too much. Appreciate the follow. Again, if you're not following, 10 years of bad luck. That's the rules. I don't make the rules. I just enforce them. But that's what TikTok told me this morning. They said if you guys don't follow on this live stream and you leave without following, 10 years of bad luck. Again, that's TikTok's rules. I'm just enforcing them. I'm just enforcing. All right. We got 2 minutes until market open. Make sure you guys can see everything. Tube, you guys are good. You can see TikTok, you guys are good. You can see bet. Bet. Yeah, we're holding a demand zone right now. These levels right here. This is a supply zone that we broke through, but we did come back down and we're retesting this demand zone and we are holding it and we are kind of like bull flagging right here. So, like I said, ideally continuation today. Falls apart, obviously we will reevaluate the situation, but as of now, bullish. Let's get it. 1 minute, 45 seconds if you want to be technical. Let's get it. Got 200 of you on the tube right now. Fire. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live right now. 1,800 videos, 131,000 subs. Overall, great time on the tube. So if you guys want to tap in, get a full screen view, see my order flow, still see my face, code Brandon. Or sorry, not code Brandon. Go on tube and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. You want to see me? That's the data that you have to use for the S&P and NQ, yeah. All right, Russell is off to the races to start the day. See if we get a good 5-minute candle close above 2,800 and then a pullback and a retest. Yeah, the Russell's RTY. The contract would be RTYM6. That's the mini. And I only trade minis for Russell. It moves super slow. So, and it's $50 a point, just like ES. Would you say you were watching, GD?
I think the best option would be
Yeah, it's because Dow and Russell are pushing. See what we can catch today. And again, if you guys haven't hit that follow button yet, 10 years of bad luck if you don't follow. That's what TikTok said to me today. They called me before I went live and they said, you better tell every single person in there that does not follow, they're going to get 10 years of bad luck. I said, all right, TikTok, I'll listen to you. So, if you don't want 10 years of bad luck, find that follow button. It's at top right, top left, somewhere up there. Click it. Obviously, everybody in the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm sure most of you are, pretty much all of you, but yeah. Make sure to subscribe and follow. We're going to retest this RTY on the 1 minute, I think. 10 years of bad luck. Again, I don't make the rules. We might retest this Russell here on the 1 minute, everybody. What up? See if they hold it. We're at it right now. RTY is the Russell, but we're currently breaking below the pre-market high. Okay, we're coming back up. Yeah, let's just see what happens with this 5 minute on the Russell. I think we're going to break below, though. There's about a 2% chance that we reclaim this 2,800. I don't think we're going to take the Russell trade. Tube and TikTok. I don't think we're going to take it. It's going to break below and hold below. NQ is still kind of holding this demand zone. You can see we wicked down 3 times. Yeah, I don't care about Russell, everybody. We do not care unless it reclaims 2801. And then I'll still look for the break and retest. Just trying to come back up. Yep, this is a 5 minute time frame. All right, just trying to reclaim. Let's see if it holds. Do we have news today? Does anybody know? $9:45 PMI. Just that. Only PMI. Bet. Full port the longs. Would be interested in this NQ as well. If it closes somewhere up here on the 5 minute, pulls back and retests. Got Russell back up above the level. Right now, waiting for candle closes. But like I said, this NQ is starting to look pretty good. If we can close bullish on the 5 minute, then pull back and retest the 5 minute moving averages, I'd consider longs for sure. All depends on the 5 minute close, though. What are we watching on the Russell? The break and retest of the pre-market high if we actually close above it on the 5-minute. And again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Follower 10 years of bad luck. I live trade every single day from New York, periodically throughout the week for Asia. All you guys got to do is your part, which is follow and join. That's really it. Follow and join. One-minute time frame keeps flirting with that 2800. See if NQ can close above. Super tired today. What's up, Justin? The man with the plan. Yes, sir. Looks like we are going to get this 5-minute candle close with NQ. All we need is the pullback and the retest, which is going to be around 27.15. Just need to wait for this 5-minute candle close. Eight EMA, 21 EMA, and view up. All right, Team Bull. We're going to watch this pullback on NQ. We're going to get this 5-minute candle close here. So pullback closer to the 8 and 21 EMA if we can get it. I like longs. Back when we would rip Tesla every single day. So what was that, like 2022? That was like the easiest time to make money. Put 20, 30K into Tesla calls when it rips above that 5-minute orb. Easy money. Got really close to that retest too, but it didn't want to do it. Still got Russell flirting with this 2800. Again, I want us to come down into these moving averages and hold it. Got super close and bounced already, but I would like to see what happens if we actually touch it. Yep, we got news in 4 minutes. We're definitely bullish. Like I said, I only care about uptrends today. Juan made 1200. Good stuff. We keep reclaiming this 2801 on Russell. We just have 2 minutes until news. That's the only issue. Damn, NQ did exactly what I wanted it to do. Just didn't pull back enough. What are you guys watching on TikTok and Tube? I definitely think this RTY wants to push. Might have to miss out on this RTY. Nah, no supply. We got the 5-minute candle close above it on RTY. See if we pull back now on NQ, possibly test these levels. Just doesn't want to pull back and hit it on NQ. Still watching this 2801 on Russell. And Q's just nuking. It's above that pre-market high now. I'm gonna try some Russell longs, everybody. I'm in. Stop is below that 27.99 level. First target's gonna be high a day. Let's see if we can get it. Came down, hit that ADMA, got bought up, reclaimed that pre-market high. I like it. We're getting super close. Come on, give it to us. Give it to us. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I've been saying all morning. I've been watching this Russell. I just said that I took it. Currently up like a point and a half, almost 2 points. Give us high day, Mr. Russell. It's all right. It moved like as soon as I entered, it moved up pretty quick. But I like how it looks. I would love for us to take out high a day. Bruh. See if we can reclaim it. We're up a point and a half. If we lose this ADMA, we gotta stop out. We reclaim it again, though. I always leave room to add on my positions. There we go. If you guys want a better entry, you can add right here. Still want to see this high day. Came back down, wicked it again. We're holding this pre-market high. Just need some continuation. Looks really good on the 5-minute, though. There we go. If you guys got that second ad, very nice. Very nice. See if we can get this pushing a high day. Come on, give it to us. Give us high day. Come on. You know you want it. Just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Come on. So close. Come on. Come on. Struggling. It was literally like 3 ticks off of where I have my trim at. So, let's see if we can get this. Don't do us dirty, Mr. Russell. Got 15 seconds to reclaim this. Right below this ADMA we're getting out. Oh, it's annoying. All right, I'm gonna get out, everybody. We're failing that pre-market high. That sucks. It was looking good. Literally 3 ticks away. We had a really good average. I wanted us a little closer to that high day for our first trim, and market didn't want to give it, so that sucks. Maybe you guys got a trim on that move up. I don't know. I personally did not. But good thing we're following our risk management right now because we're failing that level. So, see if the market gives us another opportunity. And Q doesn't look too bad. But yeah, I like that Russell a lot. Just didn't work out. Can always watch for another reclaim of 2,800 if it happens. It always sucks when you're so close to getting your trim. And then equally, it's like if you would have gotten a slightly better entry, it happened last night too. A slightly better entry, right? You would have been able to take your trip. If we would have gotten 3 ticks sooner on our average, we would have gotten a trim on that trade. Or last night, if we entered NQ like 2 or 3 points before, we would have gotten our trim. So it is what it is. But Russell's completely falling apart now. See if we get any other opportunity today. Basic break and retest of pre-market highs. It was a good trade. We literally took that same trade month, or what is today? Thursday? Took the same trade Tuesday. Took the same trade on Tuesday. And guess what? On Tuesday it worked. We caught like, what was it, 7-8 points on the Russell, and then on that we lost 3.5 points. So tight. ES is still holding up better than NQ. The Dow is still holding up, which I'm surprised about. Dow actually looks decent for more upside.
You can see it really good now.
Dow's holding up pretty nicely compared to everything else. That's why we use risk management, everybody. Look at Russell now. Russell's dead. Do want to keep an eye on this Dow, though. Again, just not really interested in downside today. No good supply. Oh, Dow's probably going to break below that level. So back to NQ we go. Wait and see. Yeah, like I said, we'll see if we get another opportunity. I really like the Russell. That's the same trade that we took on Tuesday and had a beautiful winning trade out of it. So, it is what it is. It's just a game of probabilities. That's all we can do. Probability was definitely to the upside on the Russell. Everything looked good. NQ was pushing. ES was pushing. All that good stuff. Dow was pushing. So, definitely made sense.
bounce the same.
Dow's trying to come back up. I want to see how we close in 2 minutes on the Dow. And Q's trying to flip. Really liking this Dow. Mr. Dow. Seeing if they could buy it up maybe here. Then we could look for more upside. Never mind, they're already pushing it. Maybe a break and retest of the highs on the Dow. It's looking really strong compared to everything else. Would actually be a really nice setup. We have the New York high, 30-minute orb, as well as pre-market high, all lined up at that same area on Dow. Patiently waiting, everybody. One losing trade so far today. Again, it was an A+ opportunity, just did not work out. Same exact trade we took on Tuesday. Same exact trade. Really got Dow pushing now. See what individuals are doing. AMD's pushing. Okay, I'm trying to break this level on the Dow. See if we can break above this 50 level on the Dow, everybody. Break and retest. You like upside? Nice. I like it too, actually. You wanna know what grinds my gears, GD? Knowing that if you got a slightly better entry on your trade, you would have gotten a trim. That happened to me 2 times in a row. Last night with NQ, bro, if I got a 2-point better average, I would have trimmed. And then on this fucking RTY, if I got 0.3 tick better average, I would have trimmed. But it is what it is. Dow's trying to get above this level. Let's see if we can hold, get a big old move, and then a retest. I like how SPY is setting up. Contracts are really cheap today, too. Still watching this this Dow. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Go live every single day for you guys in live trade. Every single day, live trade. Then, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Get the best discount code possible. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. If you guys want to tap in. AMD's just getting destroyed now. Let's see what Russell's doing. It's a 5-minute time frame. Again, everybody keep an eye on the Dow. If we get this pullback, it's really pushing right now. Really pushing. Equally, ES doesn't look too bad right now. Maybe for upside continuation on ES. Pointing the moving averages, we got the squeeze. The Dow is YM, but I would do micros MYM. MYM M6. So hopefully we get a pullback on it because it's really starting to push.
Twice this week I've tried beyond what Spy was doing. It lost.
I like SPY for upside low key. I think it's gonna push. Still waiting for this Dow pullback. I don't know if we're gonna get it. You guys take any trades yet? TikTok or Tube? Any trades? Haven't had the YouTube chat put up. I have ES put up right now. But ideally still watching the Dow. And I have no supply zones. None. No supply zones at all. Come on, Mr. Dow. Come back for us. 540. All right, we gotta get this pullback now. Let's see, where's my Dow? YM, all right. Give me my pullback. We're watching 544 to like 540 on the Dow. Still waiting. We'll see. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Live trade on here every single day. Every single day. Still think the Dow is our best setup, everyone. Literally just staying patient. I don't think we're getting our pullback on Dow. I'm starting to like upside on ES, so maybe if we get a bullish 5-minute candle close and then a pullback, retest of the moving averages, I'd consider. I'm a Rico Suave kind of guy. Is that a good thing? What's up, Harris? Dude, this Dow is not pulling back. I don't think we're going to get it, realistically. If it does, cool. But I don't know if we're going to get it right now. It's just nuking. I don't know why it's pushing so hard either. Yes, and AQ are not doing anything. Hell yeah, my air purifier got delivered. Put that thing together today. So what's up, Team Bull? This really fun price action to watch. Y'all having fun? Yeah, ES is looking a little better. Again, we need a bullish 5-minute candle close and then a pullback into the moving averages, and I'd consider it. Why did you hit your loss limit? Is that why? What's your loss limit? Can't be oversizing. Looks like we're gonna get this candle close. All right, got the candle close. See what happens if we pull back. QQQ is still being a pain in the ass, so. See if we get this ES pullback. Come on, pull back for us. Really like the Dow today. Like, really, really like it. What's up, Kira? I just don't know if we're going to get the Dow pullback. NQ's not looking too bad either if it can start closing bullish. I don't use RSI. I don't care about that. I don't care about RSI. Dude, this divergence with NQ and ES is stupid. Let's see. See if they hold it here on ES. Like I said, I would consider the longs, but it's just hard with that NQ divergence. Come on, Mr. Dow, pull back. I think ES wants up. I just can't do it with this divergence with NQ. I'd say this 30-minute orb is probably our best bet if we're going to get something today. The only thing I have is the fan of my computer. Maybe. I agree with it. I like it. And again, while we're chilling, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon. Also with my fund and futures as well. They just gave me a code, but I want to trade with them first before I really start promoting them. Trade with them first, get a payout, see if I like the firm, and then really start to promote it. But if you already use my fund and futures, then you can absolutely use code Brandon in the meantime. But the other firms that I really like, have gotten payouts with and traded with, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon. Still like the 30-minute orb a lot on ES. And then, yeah, we'll see how NQ closes. Maybe if we can close above the moving averages with strength, maybe a pullback there. We like the 30-minute orb on the Dow. So right now it's just waiting. Patience. Patience, patience. It'll tell you when you're eligible for a payout how much you can take out. Like, what's your maximum payout? The Dow is YM. Yep, still watching Dow. This QQQ is about to give us a solid close, though. Maybe. I like it. It's decent.
Spies on the potential manage the balance. So also we have this 63.
GD is on longs right now. He's already up like 20 points. Dow could possibly bounce here. Huh. I'm tired. But yeah, the Dow could possibly bounce this 8 EMA. Again, I think our best bet is closer to the 30-minute orb. So we'll see.
Solid. Projection.
Don't bounce. not lose this 8 EMA on the Dow.
It's still bouncing. It's crazy. Hopefully, guys, finish on that.
Let this 5-minute dictate what happens. Again, really would prefer right here, 45 to 40. Still watching our Dow level, everybody. Could very well bounce off this 8 EMA. I hope it doesn't. I think it's going to try to. Come on, get down there. It's a nice bounce off of it. Uh, 30-minute orb, come on. Give it to us. Eddie Q back into the moving averages. Thirty-minute orb. Just pushing off that 8 EMA. I had a feeling that could have been a level. Well, I don't think we're going to get a trade today on the Dow, that's for sure. Unless it does come back down to a 30-minute orb. Could continue to watch this NQ. See if it holds moving averages. NQ's falling apart. Dow doesn't like pullbacks today. ES and NQ are just, I don't even know what they're doing. Yep, there goes Dow back in a high day. This ES still looks like it wants up. NQ's just being a pain. Yeah, no, we're not getting that Dow entry, Matt. It's not happening. I was looking for a pullback to 40. Is that previous high, opening high in 30-minute or yeah, 30-minute orb. Head Q's bouncing back up. Yep. I still think NQ one's higher though, for sure. See how this 5-minute candle closes. See if we can pull back and retest these moving averages. Closer to like 30. Or we could watch ES for the break and retest the 30-minute orb. Break and retest the 71, 71. Patience. See if we get this break and retest. So I want to pull back into these moving averages on NQ. You ready for this shit, GD? We're gonna hit a nuker. Just wait. Absolute nuker coming. Are we gonna crack 71, 71? That's the question. See what happens on this pullback. If they end up giving it, I don't know. Maybe not. Break and retest a 30-minute orb is still valid, everybody. Break and retest a 30-minute orb, still valid. Keeps doing this thing where it's getting close to hitting these moving averages and then it doesn't. This fucking thing, I swear, bro. Just cannot get this entry, I swear. At least this ES is trading at 71, 71, so let's see if we can break above it. You should audition for American Idol. Slow grind, yeah. All right, well, it looks like everybody's leaving the TikTok, so I'm going to go ahead and end the TikTok, but I'm going to stay live in the Zoom, and I'm going to stay live on my YouTube. So if you're watching on TikTok and you want to continue to watch, tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. Everybody's leaving. We don't have too many people in here anymore, so head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm going to stay live over there because we have more people and they're way more active. So again, come tap into there. I'll stay live on YouTube and I'll stay live in the Zoom. Again, my YouTube channel is Brandon Trades. So come tap in. 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade. 131,000 subs. I better see you guys in there. But like I said, I'm going to stay live on YouTube. So peace out, TikTok. Boom. All right. Don't got to worry about TikTok anymore. There we go. All right. Pre-market high on what? Ugh. I hate how it always shows it too, where it like hits the 8 EMA after the fact. Like we did not actually hit the 8 EMA, it just ended up moving up based off of that move. But ES is above high day. See if we can come back and retest that 30-minute orb, I would absolutely consider. It's really hard on these choppy days, bro. Watch this 30-minute orb, though, everybody. 30-minute orb to even this pre-market, or actually they're at the same spot. But yeah, let's watch it. Watch it in full port. If we waited all day to break above this 30-minute orb and then we don't come back and test it, I'm gonna fly one of you out to Denver and kick your ass personally. Who's it gonna be? Greg? All right, bet. Greg wants to smoke. All right. I need to take a 2-minute stretch. Tube. I'll be back in like a minute, 2 minutes. I need to walk and stretch. All right. We're going to get this pullback. It's going to happen. We are going to get it. We're getting the pullback, squad. Just stay patient. We're going to get it. Now Russell is doing exactly what we wanted it to do. It's what we wanted the first time. Made over to the YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe as well. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm gonna lose my marbles, bro. Lose my marbles. Deep breaths. We're gonna get the 30-minute orb. It's gonna happen. Thank you for your sacrifice, Kamal. Because it hasn't met my criteria. Did you take a trade? Given all the chop this morning? Sure, it's gone up for 20 minutes, but how long did we chop? 5, 10. Actually, hold on. Actually, yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. For an hour. We've gone up for 15 minutes. Waiting on this pullback entry for a long. If my edge is not present and I don't like an entry, then I'm not going to take it. See, the only issue with that NQ 30-minute orb is it's overextended, right? ES, like, it was a smaller move. We had the 8 EMA lining up with the 30-minute orb. You know, we have more confluence. So that's the issue with the NQ compared to ES. $71.71. You're gonna do it, you little bitch. You just gotta talk bad. It'll do it. Come on. 4 more points. If this thing for some reason holds the 30-minute orb on NQ and bushes, yeah, come on. You still here, GD? I think GD went to do something. I'll tell him to rip it from the toilet. I'm literally going to lose my marbles if we don't get down there. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Touch it. Could potentially bounce previous day high as well. It's definitely a possibility. That's what we're holding right now. But like I said, I prefer 71, 71. Okay. We're at it. I'm going to try some right here. Some right here, if we hit this 8 EMA at 71.70, I'm going to be willing to add. Look for this pushback in a high day. Came down, pretty much hit that 30-minute orb, reclaiming that previous day high. Willing to add a couple points lower. And then we stop below that 8 EMA, below 71.70. So risk is super tight if we push up in a high day that's already a 2-hour trade. So see if we can get it. High day price target right there. Come on. We're up about 3 points right here. 2 more points. Come on. Come on. Come on. Half a point. Don't you fucking reject. Don't you reject. We're up 4.5 points right here. Don't you reject. Go up. Go up. New high day. Come on. Come on. Bro. Come on. We're above the NQ 30-minute orb as well. Obviously, if you guys want to trim, we are up 4 points. We're up 4 points. Stop losses break even. If they can't get up into that 71.78, I was half a point away from my trim. Yep, stop loss break even, everybody. Come on. Give us the 71.78. Don't be a little bitch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dude. This market's got me frustrated today. You can do it. There's not even any sellers here. Yes. Because it hit our 30-minute orb. Let's keep the stop loss break even, everybody. You had a couple opportunities to trim for about 4 points. I wanted half a point more for the first trim. See if we can get it. Not looking good. Why can't ES be pushing like NQ right now? Like, literally, I don't get it. ES 30-minute orb was way higher probability. We're still up about 3 points right here, everybody. Literally just touched 71.78. Do it for me. And Q's just on a nuker. Again, have your stop loss at break even, everybody. Not looking too hot. Literally half a point off, bro. Yeah, come on. Get your ass up there. All right, I'm out of break even. How to break even. Bro, half a point off. So stupid. You guys had that opportunity to trim if you wanted to. But I literally wanted it a little closer to high a day. Yep. It is what it is, Ben. Damn, dude. I'm gonna go to the gym in frustration.
So hard.
Bro. If this thing pushes, I'm really gonna lose my marbles. It's just not, dude. Just cannot get solid continuation. Market just does not want to do it today. For real, though. I'm about to do some nasty leg workout. Yup. Now you want to fucking do it, bruh? Now you want to go up to 70? I can't believe this shit, dude. I cannot believe this. That's what we wanted. That is what we wanted, everybody. Well, I don't do deadlifts, but I think today is worth the deadlifts. Appreciate the donation. Thank you. Had a feeling they wanted to fucking do it, dude. It's just been so choppy and so slow today. It's all right, though. It's all right. I'm actually surprised that the NQ 30-minute orb worked better, given the confluence with ES. It was just hard to get that continuation. And, like, even that candle did not look good. Reject off this level 3 times. Then we came down. Now we just went nuke out of nowhere. But, small loss on the Russell, break even trade on ES. You could have trimmed on ES if you wanted to. But yeah, unfortunately did not capture this continuation higher. And guess what? It's part of trading. Are you guys going to let it make you go on tilt? Or are you just going to say, all right, it's just one day in the market in the overall, grand scheme of everything? What? Oh, yeah? Can you show me? Can you take a video? You want me to take a video? Oh, it's full port Friday tomorrow. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Let's do it. Let's stick around for like 10 more minutes, everybody. You guys got questions while we're chilling? We can start off on why this market is super gay. It's a pretty good starting point. Yeah. I mean, the issue's been we get random wicks a lot recently, right? When we're like slow, I'm sure you guys have seen it. When we're super slow, we'll randomly get a wick one way or the other. So that's also why I've been a little more cautious, especially when it's super slow. But yeah, it's just been slow. After we made those, what was it, last week when we just went straight up? And I think we started to slow down on Friday. It's been a lot slower this week. But yeah, it's got to be a little cautious again. One day isn't going to ruin anything. Small loss, then a break even trade. We're going to catch massive winners hopefully tomorrow, next week, the following week, for the rest of the year. This year's been harder, I would say. But remember, we went on a 2-month spree of like literally obliterating NQ for over 1,000 points. So I wouldn't say like as far as making money, it's harder. It's definitely required a lot more patience than I would say in previous years. I would say the hardest year for me was late 2022 and like early 23. But yeah, this year is definitely just more patience, I would say, and news driven for sure. Bet you this thing's just going to continue too. Gain confidence in taking trades, just seeing it happen over and over and over again. Taking the trades, journaling the trade. What questions y'all got? My longest losing streak and winning streak, honestly, I don't even keep track of it. It's kind of, irrelevant. And then again, zoom out. It's kind of irrelevant. If I lose 4 days in a row, I know I'm going to make it back the following week, or even in one or two trades, because my risk management is always on point. So, to be honest, I don't know. I do remember at the beginning of last year, though, I went like the first 4 months of the year with only 3 red days. And then I started this year with three red days. So, again, to me, it doesn't really matter. Here's the link to my indicator. There you go. Whoops, that one. No coupons for it, though. I don't do discounts on the indicator. It literally takes one trade to pay for it. Again, on NQ, it was a bigger move into the 30-minute orb. The ADMA did not line up with it, so we didn't have a lot of confluence. But ES, we did. We had the ADMA, previous day high, opening high, 30-minute orb, all that good stuff, all lined up in the same level. Just unfortunately, the market's being a piece of shit today. Five on my TPTs. I have 3 for Lucid and then 10 for Apex. No. If we go to all-time highs on ES, why would it be short? What are we rejecting? You always have to ask. If you're fighting the trend, there has to be a key level. Has to be. And if we're trading at all-time highs, there's no key level to short. Yep, there you go. Brandon's supply and demand indicator is worth the price. It also includes a 30-minute orb indicator and a chat from owners of the indicator where we can ask questions. Go for it. Boom. But I think I'm gonna call it Team Bull. I see people starting to leave the Zoom, so I'm gonna call it here and go hit some massive deadlifts after today's session. So yeah, if you guys haven't, make sure to follow my Instagram, BrandonTrades. And then if you guys ever need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Use code Brandon. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning. I'm not going to do Asia today. So tomorrow in the morning for New York. Peace. YouTube, everybody have a good one. Again, follow my Instagram if you haven't already. BrandonTrades.